Don't chip them. Yeah. Make one name.
Danny with a heart.
Yeah. Oh, that's a trunk card. There you go.
There you
Well,
go.
duh.
There's room below it when I get them.
Yeah, you're gonna get it.
Feedback.
I'll keep that space for you.
Thanks, my brother.
Absolutely, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you guys so
You're
much.
awesome.
Absolutely.
I love it.
And you will see that video
That's the
tomorrow,
funniest
okay,
Uber
guys?
ride I ever had. It was awesome.
Thank you so much.
Everything.
How much the fuck do you think I have? Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, guys.